Hi, my name is David Wagner and I'm with Neutronics. Today I want to give you a demonstration on how the Ultima ID Pro works. Here you see I have it set up and ready to test. So I'm going to hook to a cylinder of version 410A. Connect my hose to the cylinder. Open the valve. Now the gas is flowing through the unit. I'm going to press test. It's going to run the test. Testing just finished, so I'm going to turn my cylinder valve off. And as you see, it says 100% 410A. Hit the more button, and it's going to give me my compositions of 100% 410A, 50% 32, and 50% 125, which is the composition of 100% 410A. I'm going to disconnect here, and I'm going to test another cylinder. Let's try 100% R22. We're going to hit done here and hook up to my R22 cylinder. Open the valve, let the refrigerant flow, and hit test. Alright, the test is finished on this R22. I'm going to close the cylinder valve, hit more, and it says 100% R22, which is exactly what it is in a version 4 or R22 cylinder. I'm going to hit done. Now I'm going to try contaminated tank of refrigerant. This is R410A, which is contaminated with R290, which is also propane. I'm going to connect to my cylinder, let it flow, and hit test. Now the test is finished, so I'm going to disconnect here, turn it off and disconnect. And as you see, our results are 410A and contaminated with R290. Now I'm going to show you one of the refrigerants that we only identify. We do not analyze R408A, but we do identify it. So I'm going to hook up to version 408A, open the cylinder, hit done here first, open the cylinder, let the refrigerant come through, I'm going to hit test. Let's see what we get. Alright, this test is complete. I'm going to close my cylinder. If you see here on the screen, it says R408A, purity unknown. And that's because we do not analyze the purity of 408A. We simply identify it in quantities of 95% or better purity. I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to show you one last test. This is the liquid sampling test. Here's your liquid sampling test procedure here. Basically disconnect the hose, connect this side to the bottom, which is going to connect to the cylinder. I'm going to connect it up here. And the unit is going to connect to the side of the syringe. Now I'm going to open this and turn this upside down so we get a liquid sample. Now I'm going to press test. Alright, and this is finished, so I'm going to turn the cylinder back right side up, turn it off. And as you see, we have 100% 410A. Now basically, liquid sampling gives us the ability to see if there's any fractionation inside the 400 series blends, such as 410A, 404A, and 407C. This is a great way to find out if the system is leaking and some of the higher vapor pressure refrigerants have been leaking out. Thank you for watching. This is David Wagner again with Neutronics.